Greetings, Earthlings. Out in the Mojave Desert, I stumbled upon a strange device, half buried in the sand. It's a smooth metallic bean about the size of a football, with nothing on it but two small dials used to tune to different stations. It's kind of like an old ham radio. But the weirdest part is, it can pick up stories from the past, broadcasts that no longer exist.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Walter Conrad here, broadcasting from Los Angeles, California with KNOB Radio. In tonight's breaking news, the Crenshaw crew has committed another bank robbery in the nearby city of San Diego.
They also wrecked several buildings at Caltech with their explosive experiments. Much of their government funding lost to repairs. But they managed to launch America's first rocket-assisted fixed-wing aircraft.
The end of school dance is approaching quickly,
Okay, Mark. Why don't you head back to your seat next to Dean Piccadilly?
Vice Principal Cantwell, I really
Head
think...
back to your seat. As I'm sure many of you are already aware, yesterday, just before dismissal, a student, or students, defaced the fourth-floor statue of Florence Dawson.
Thank you for listening. We'll be back with more LA Mysteries.